so we have to make a traditional French cocktail. I don't know how traditional it is, but this is the Sidecar. It was a cocktail that was invented during the Jazz Age, and it's a little contentious, the history on where it got its origins. There are 3 different popular stories, but 2 of those locations are in Paris, so I'm claiming it. And the most popular theory is that it originated at Harry's New York bar in Paris. So we have a good quality brandy. Well, we don't have that, but that's what you should have. This is just the brandy that we actually have. And you're gonna take 1 1/4 ounce brandy and put it in the shaker filled with ice. Free to be as generous or as light-handed as you wish. Then we have Cointreau, which is also French. It's an orange flavor liqueur. I've already measured that one out. And this is 3/4 ounce. Add that to the shaker. Also, 3/4 ounce of a nice lemon, fresh lemon juice. Throw that on in there. Add the lid, shake it up, make sure it's on tight. Okay, it should be freezing your hand by this point, which it is. I like to serve mine in the traditional French champagne coupe. So a lot of us, we think of the champagne as a flute, but the traditional French way to drink it is out of this coupe glass. And you just pour it in. And voila, the Sidecar. And of course, very important part of the French aperitif is to learn how to say cheers in French. And so that is santé. So I will say to you, santé.